It's bread time again. Bit of oil on the tin. Because we don't want to lose half of it stuck. And here is the moment. Yes, there he is. Woo! How beautiful. Well done. A little bit of extra something on the top. I'm sure it'll taste good. A little bit of massage oil. Oh, a bit more kneading. Oh. And the bread went poof when you took hold of him. The dough. Air came out. Ah.
So I'm making some bread rolls.
Ah, these are the ones we have it in the morning. No, with the soup.
Yes.
Yes, with the soup. Sorry, yes. Well, there's a lot of rolls to do there.
Yes.
I'd help you, but I don't want to interrupt. Super. Well, thank you, Katie.
You're welcome.
And we'll see these bread rolls again when we have our soup this evening. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yes.